Hi guys, this is week 3 of my Make Money from Nothing Robinhood challenge, and last week trade was successful and I have $327 in my account, and it's time to make another trade. And if you want to see my trades on pretty much everyday basis, you can check out a link to my Patreon club in the description of this video, and of course like and share this video so more people can see it. Okay, so right now I have $327.03 on my Robinhood account, and I'm thinking to do another trade. And the trade I'm trying to do, or thinking to do right now, is a Coinbase stock symbol coin. Okay, let's do a search for this stock symbol coin. Okay, right now it's trading around $222, and I'd like to sell a put spread on it, or a credit spread on it, around 212 and a half and $210. So I'm selling 212 and a half and $210 put spread. And the reason I'm doing this on Coinbase is because if you look at the chart of the Coinbase, right now it's trading at a very low, in very low range. And as you can see on this chart, that the lowest price for the Coinbase was $208, and looks like it's trying to retest that level. And I don't know if it gets there or not, and but it looks like it will have some resistance to get to that level. So I'm betting on that fact, and the fact that it had a big sell-off in the past like couple of months since the IPO. And I think the 212, 210 level should hold for the next 3 days. But who knows? You never know. With Coinbase, it's a very volatile stock. I can lose the monies, but I have to take a chance on this because the stock is down today, and I think it's a good time to sell a credit spread on it. So let's do that trade. Okay, so let's do trade coin options. Let's sell put 212 and a half for $1.95 and buy 210 put, okay, for $1.58. Okay, right now it's giving me 40 cents. Click continue. So I'm doing one contract. Let's see, maybe I'll enter 42 cents. Okay, let's see, 42 cents. Oops. So if that credit spread expires by this Friday, if the price of the stock stays above $212.50, I keep my full premium, which is $42, and I'm risking $250 as a collateral. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and submit this trade. So again, I'm selling 212 and a half put, and I'm buying 210 put. Okay, and I'm getting credit for this is 42 cents, and this is $2.50 put, $2.50 credit difference between those two strike prices, and so that's why I'm risking $250. So maximum I can make $42, and the maximum I can lose is $250. So I click submit, and done. And we'll see if this trade will execute on Robinhood, but this is the trade for this week. Hopefully it's gonna work out. So this trade actually executed on Robinhood, and we'll see on Friday if it worked or not. But meanwhile, let me know in comments what you think about this trade, and let me know your other ideas. Maybe I can do it next week.